Hi everyone, if you have an app that contains private or sensitive information and you don't want anyone else to open it, then you can now lock it directly from iPhone's home screen or app library. So you don't need to install any third-party apps or go through complicated settings. You can do this with iPhone's built-in method. Just make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. Now to get started, find the app you want to lock and then press and hold the app icon until the quick action menu appears. Now here you will see require face ID option. So just click on it and you will get two options. Now if you only want to lock the app with face ID, then you need to select require face ID. And if you also want to hide the app from home screen and app library, then select hide and require face ID instead. For example, just to lock with face ID, select require face ID option, then authenticate with your face ID and the app will now be locked. From now on, whenever you try to open the app, you need to verify with your face ID. Also, if you ever want to remove the face ID lock, then again press and hold the app icon and select don't require face ID. Now authenticate with your face ID and that's it. You can access that app without face ID requirement. Also, if you have selected the second option that is hide and require face ID, then you need to click on hide app option and you can access all the hidden apps within the hidden folder right at the bottom of the app library section. So I hope this guide helped you. If it did, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and also let me know in the comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.